Rowserworld. All right, and welcome to another drawing segment, my friend. I'm gonna teach you how to draw a caricature. Get out your marker, real simple, and let's get started. So, easy way to approach this, just think about the shape overall. So, this is the shape overall. Okay. Just look at the outside of the head and imagine it as your own little shape or idea. Pay special attention to the angles of the ears when you get there, because that's like a important part. So you can see how it's kind of go out a little bit like that. All right. Then here, what I would do is I'll go ahead and put my cheekbones in. So I'll make them high up like this. Okay. Then I'll come down with them like that. And then from here, I'll just go ahead and look for these shapes here. Okay. And then he has like a little bit of a square jaw, so we'll do like that. And then all we have to do is add a little neck shape. All right. What's next? Let's go ahead and I guess we can draw the inside of the head shape. So we'll just keep it simple once again. Okay. Now we'll start adding in our inner features. You want to use one line to draw your face with. Like, use a lot of one-line ideas first. Don't try to make it complicated. Just very one-line ideas. Almost like you're in elementary school and you're drawing a picture at your desk. You should have that same kind of feeling when you're drawing this. It has to be a fun, relaxing exercise. So remember, simple one-liner ideas. Don't worry about messing up. It happens sometime, even to the best of us. Okay. Once you have your one-line idea, now you can come back and you can add little detail. Okay. So watch how I do the eyebrows. Even with this, I try to keep it simple. Okay. Simple one-line ideas. Nothing complicated. Okay. All right. Now we could just go ahead here and you could add this. Once you do phase 2, let's go ahead and do the ears. Once again, one-line ideas. Now, once we have our drawing down simply, right, then we can do phase 3. If you want to go to phase 3, that's basically where you add like little, let me show you, like little hairs. Like, say for instance, right around the eyebrow here, you see he has a little eye. So you might use still simple lines, not a whole bunch, just something to kind of fill in what's going on there. And you can color these in if you want. You know, you can use the side of your marker to color them in. Okay. And then over here, if we need to add some little bit more hair over here, maybe we just go ahead and add it on there, right? Nobody's gonna know what you did. All right. Now we're done with our line work. We can take our gray marker and then I'm gonna show you real simple, one line, one line. See how simple that is? A little bit goes a long way. Keep it simple. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. All right, here, I want this to stand out a little bit more, so I'll just add a little shadow there. And then maybe the top lip. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Now, as far as the hair is concerned, you can just, I'll use a technique like this. Use the side of your marker. So see that one? I just use the side of my marker, and I find the general direction that the hair is going in. Keep it simple, right? This is easy. And then here, we'll make thinner lines. Don't ever let your drawing get out of control in your head where you think this is something very, oh, this is so profound, there's something that I'm doing. No, you're just drawing little lines, making them work together in harmony. And then the thick and thin lines is just a matter of how hard you press on your marker. This is a bullet tip marker. Those are the kind that I recommend you get when you do your caricature, just something bullet tip, which means you can just basically use a Crayola. That's all this is right here. It's just, I have found a knockoff brand that was on sale, so I got this one. That's really the only thing that's different about it. Okay, don't forget to sign your work. And that's it. That's how you draw a caricature of somebody. Basic shape. Find your one line idea for each feature, and then you put a little bit of shadow, some one-liners or whatever for the hair, and you're done. So thank you for watching. I hope that you learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.